Chief Meteorologist Rob Perillo.
Welcome back. Well, the month of June pretty much picking up where April and May left off. Wetter than normal conditions. At least it's cooler than normal, but boy, we don't need any more rain, and we got plenty of it in the forecast, as we'll show you coming up in just a bit. Here's the big picture looking at the water vapor imagery, and we're caught between a couple of upper level lows right now, one in the nation's midsection. We have disturbances rotating around that, and that helps to spark off showers and storms. Just gives us a little instability, a little cool air aloft, and we have tropical moisture coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. And then this upper level low back here across Baja, that's eventually going to be moving into Texas, and that's going to be a slow mover, producing heavy duty rains as we get into the weekend and possibly dumping into Louisiana by Sunday into Monday. Right now you can see scattered showers and storms across the Lone Star State and some of that activity into Louisiana, but right now relatively quiet in Acadiana. The only showers in the area over toward Baton Rouge on the other side of the basin for the most part by Rosedale, and then also by Denham Springs. This activity pushing off to the east, but more energy back to the west of us means we could see additional shower activity developing at any time overnight tonight. We'll keep rain chance at about 30 to 40%, and then tomorrow we'll see another good scattering of splash and dash showers and storms. Now, it's not going to be one of those continuous rainy, stormy days. We should see some intervals of sunshine, and that's the way it should go also on Friday, but I think we'll see a little bit more coverage tomorrow as compared to today, so we're going 70% rain chances tomorrow. We'll go roughly about 60% on Friday, and maybe a little bit lower than that going into Saturday. And here's the big picture as we look at the European model, which I think is capturing our system that we'll have to worry about. Here we are Friday, then Saturday. You see a weak area of surface low pressure guided by that upper level low. That means the threat of flooding rain southeast Texas, and then that moves into Louisiana Saturday night into Sunday, and then may stick around for a couple more days thereafter. So the threat of very heavy rainfall at least through early next week, and by Wednesday, Thursday, it looks like high pressure begins to bank in from the east, and that hopefully will knock down the rain chances. Now, as we take a look at the near-term rainfall from the graph model, an inch or two of rain, typical scattered shower and thunder shower activity. Some spots just catching enough to wet the ground, others picking up an inch or two. No major concerns next couple of days, but over the next week there is some concern. This is from the Weather Prediction Center. These folks make these forecasts for a living, and they're going for a fairly large swath of 4 to 7 inches of rain. And then we look at, say, the European model, which is the hottest of the models we have. Through Saturday, not too bad, pretty much in line, but then watch how the rain piles up southeast Texas, southwest Louisiana. Now, don't get too worried, Lake Charles. Hopefully we're not going to see 10 inches of rain, but the model's giving us an idea that anything in yellow, and this could go all the way over to eastern Louisiana and farther back west toward Texas, but the threat of heavy rainfall and several inches of rain, especially deeper into the weekend, early next week, could lead to more flash flooding, and we don't need that across southwest Louisiana, north southeast Texas after the major flooding that we saw last month. So lingering showers possible overnight tonight. I got rain chance at about 30%, 71 the low. Tomorrow, 84 the high, 70% chance of scattered showers and a few locally heavier thunderstorms. Same goes for Friday. Saturday, we'll tone down the rain chances, but then we'll beef them up come Sunday, Monday, and of course that forecast could change into the weekend, and then hopefully next week getting a little bit closer to what we would expect in June. That's it for weather for right now. We'll be right back right after this.